IKEA Trojka scissors set of 3. I happened to be in need of scissors to make my job easier in making crafts. Then I found out that IKEA sells scissors. I decided to buy it. For just $2.99, you can get 3 scissors. These scissors are economical in price and sharp for the job. I put a pair in my kitchen, game, or craft room and bathroom. I use these scissors very often, so how do I rate it? I've always seemed to need another sharp scissor for a project. These scissors set from IKEA are the absolute sharpest and lowest price of any we have ever found. Great selection of sizes in the set, perfect for small sewing projects, crafts, even hair.